Assalamualaikum class, I am going to deliver you your science lecture according to 16th June diary. Today we are going to solve question answers of unit number 4, environment and its interactions. So question number 1 is, what is environment? Elaborate your answer with examples. The environment consists of everything around us: air, water, soil, trees, flowers, insects, birds, animals, fishes and also the people. Question number 2. How can we divide environment? Write in detail about the spheres of environment. So basically environment is divided into 4 components called spheres. First one is atmosphere. It is made up of Earth's gases. Second one is lithosphere, made up of all the Earth's solid materials like stones, soils, etc. Hydrosphere, it is made up of all the water on Earth. Biosphere, this is made up of all the living beings present on Earth. Question number 3. What are the biotic factors? Explain. A biotic component are the non-living features of the environment that the living organisms depend on. These include water, sunlight, temperature, soil and oxygen. These are all the abiotic components. Please यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में बायोटिक की जगह आप अबायोटिक यहाँ ए राइट कर लें. ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.